When it comes to improving your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, few upgrades provide as many advantages as installing new windows. In Sumter, homeowners often face the challenge of selecting the best method for window installation. While DIY projects are appealing for their potential cost savings, the long-term benefits of professional window installation are worth the investment. Whether you are upgrading to modern windows or replacing outdated ones, here are some compelling reasons to trust experts for the job. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of professional window installation is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows or improperly installed windows can lead to drafts, poor insulation, and higher energy bills. Professional installers know exactly how to seal windows properly and ensure they are fitted with modern energy-efficient materials. This can drastically reduce heat loss in winter and keep your home cooler during the hot South Carolina summers. With energy-efficient windows, your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, saving you money on utility bills and reducing your home's carbon footprint. Increased home value. Investing in quality windows can provide a substantial return on investment when it comes time to sell your home. New windows not only improve the aesthetic appeal of your property but also make it more attractive to potential buyers. Professional installation ensures that your windows are securely fitted, aligned, and sealed, which enhances both functionality and appearance. Homebuyers are more likely to be drawn to a home that's energy efficient, safe, and well maintained, all of which new, professionally installed windows can contribute to. Better curb appeal. Windows play a pivotal role in the overall look of your home. Outdated or damaged windows can detract from your property's curb appeal, making it look older and worn down. Professional installation allows you to choose windows that perfectly complement the design of your home, whether you're looking for traditional, modern, or custom designs. A fresh, well-installed window upgrade can instantly elevate the exterior of your home, making it more visually appealing and potentially boosting its market value. Improved security. Windows are one of the most vulnerable points in your home, especially if they are old or poorly installed. Professional window installers ensure that your new windows are not only fitted securely but also come with modern safety features like tempered glass, enhanced locking systems, and stronger frames. This additional layer of security provides peace of mind, knowing that your home is better protected against break-ins or accidents. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy area of Sumter or near a noisy street, the sounds from outside can make their way into your home. Modern windows, particularly double or triple paned options, offer exceptional soundproofing qualities. Professional installation ensures these windows are properly sealed and installed, maximizing their ability to block out unwanted noise. A quieter home contributes to better rest, relaxation, and a more comfortable living environment. Long-term durability and warranty. Another major benefit of professional window installation is the long-lasting durability of both the windows and the installation job itself. Professional installers typically offer warranties on both their work and the windows they install. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if there are any issues with the windows or installation, you will have professional support. DIY window installations may seem like a good idea at first, but improper installation can lead to costly repairs or replacements down the line. Time and stress saving. Installing windows is a complex task that requires precise measurements, proper tools, and a high level of expertise. By hiring professionals, you save yourself the time, effort, and stress that comes with attempting a DIY project. Expert installers can complete the job efficiently, ensuring that your windows are installed properly the first time. This allows you to enjoy the benefits of your new windows without worrying about potential mistakes or complications. Customized solutions for your home. Every home is unique, and so are its window installation needs. Professional window installers in Sumter can offer customized solutions that take into account the specific requirements of your home, such as window size, style, and the climate. They can also guide you in selecting the best window types and materials for your needs, ensuring that your home gets the most value from the installation. Conclusion. When it comes to window installation in Sumter, choosing a professional offers numerous benefits that far outweigh the potential savings of doing it yourself. From enhancing energy efficiency and curb appeal to improving security and comfort, professional installation ensures that your windows perform optimally and add lasting value to your home. By investing in the expertise of trained professionals, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your window installation is in good hands, providing you with long-term benefits for years to come.